I'm Tina, the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, then thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you my meal planner, which I have recently put together. I've recently set up. Now, I was going to do a talk through setup, but I've never done a meal planner before. So I really just thought I'm going to do it myself and then show you afterwards. So I hope you're okay with that. This is, as you can see, an A5 binder. I've never had an A5 binder before. This is a Recollections A5 binder. I got a super deal from Michael's, and you can watch that whole video right here. $12, I think it was, $12.90 or something like that. It was a really good deal, and it's really pretty. So I was looking for something to put my recipes and my menu planning in, so this works great. And I actually keep it down in the kitchen. It's very handy like that. So let me show you inside. So first of all, you can see I've just added a little bit of deco to make it pretty. I can't help myself. And I think it goes really well with these dividers. Now, the dividers actually came with this folder. It was amazing, and so they were all, if you turn them over this way, you can see that they are all actually the months of the year, and all I've done is I've covered them up. Now, these stickers are from a Happy Planner book, and I'm just quickly flipping through to see if I can find it. I think it's one of the journaling books. Okay, so I think it's this one. So yeah, I got these stickers from here. Yep. And just covered over that. And so I've made myself a key as well, and also these stickers were from the same book. So I've made this key, and so I've just numbered one. Number one is inventory. So this is a printable as well from, let me tell you the name of the shop. Let me find it. It is Wellies and Lemons. That sounds like it's very English, talking about wellies, which is Wellington boots, rubber boots, you call them. So Wellies and Lemons, I should imagine it's English. It's a PDF, it's a downloadable, and you just print it yourself. I picked the A5 size because obviously I now have an A5 planner that I can use. So that's it. So you've got inventory, and you also have, let me bring this over. I've got this key, and what I've done is that I've actually cut. I'm used to using the Happy Planner. I don't like doing all this thing with the rings, so I didn't cut these, but everything else that I'm going to be taking out, I cut. These I'm not, they're going to stay there, so I'm not. So my first, as you can see, my first one is inventory, so that's number one, inventory. And it had this nice little list here of groceries, which I thought was quite handy. And then so I've only just started to make a list, and this is my freezer. I've got two freezers, so I've got a chest freezer in the garage. It's a small one, it's a half chest freezer, but I've got one in the garage, and then and that is garage if you're Canadian or American, and then I've got one in the house. So, and then you've got pantry inventory and fridge inventory, so I will fill all that out. And then I come to meal planner. So this is the meal planner part of this, which I'm really excited. Again, I've used, this is plain. I'm trying to see. That's what it looks like. Okay. And then I've just stuck stickers from, what did I get? I did buy one, this one. Let me bring this out. I did get the recipe book. Okay. Because I just, Happy Planner do like these collections of stickers, which then make it really easy for you to plan and that. So I got this one, and then took all of these from this book here, and started to do my meal planning. I haven't written them for this week yet, so I'm behind already. That doesn't look good, does it? But I wrote a shopping list of everything I needed. I found this cheese and tomato baguette. It's absolutely delicious. Like, you get a French baguette, you cut it down the middle, slice it down the middle, then you open it up, you put what cheeses you like. So you've got to have the cranberry goat's cheese, so because that gives it that zang. So you spray it with oil or put butter on it if you want. Then you put cranberry goat cheese, and then I also put some brie on there, and then lots of whole cherry tomatoes all over the top. Cover it with cherry tomatoes. So you're going to use probably one box. If there's two of you, you're going to use one box between the two of you. And then you just roast it in the oven. You put it in the oven, put some parchment paper down. I put mine on, I think it was, you can do, let me think, I think it was 400 for 15 minutes. I should definitely check it after that. And and before you put it in the oven as well, when you put the tomatoes on, then spray that with oil again. So I've got like one of those hand pump sprayers of olive oil. So spray it with olive oil, sprinkle over Italian herbs, lots of Italian herbs before you put it in. Sorry, I forgot that bit. Then you put it in the oven for at 415 minutes. It is the most, we had it that once, and then I'm just like, my husband said, can you make that thing again? I'm doing it all the time. Like, we had it again on Sunday. So yeah, that's crazy. Anyway, so then I've got these, which I bought with the from Michael's. They were on half price as well, so they were like $2 something for a big pack of, and that's what it comes like. And so I'm just using them as shopping lists and tracking what I'm buying. So there's a load more. I printed a few more meal planners out, so I can do that, which I haven't done yet, but I can do that. Okay. So recipe cards is number 3, and then I divided that again into sections. So I've got my chicken, and this is again comes with the kit, and so this sort of like layout comes with the kit, and then I just printed these out on normal paper and cut them and put them in the box here. These are stickers from the recipe book. And so I just put a couple of my favourite sort of recipes. This one is absolutely delicious. I used a whole chicken when I done it, but you can do it however you like. So yeah, this is cool. So that's the chicken ones. And then, and I just put a couple of recipes in each one for now. And then we've got pork, and be doing that tomorrow, I think, that one actually. And then we have beef here, a couple of beef, and I'm going to add a new one, which I don't know if I've got another one of these for. Yeah, I'm going to need to add a new one, lamb, because I've just bought some lamb to do some do a lamb tagine. So and then I've got at the back here this section, meal ideas, which I quite like that. So I printed out quite a lot of, because I often make it up as I go along. I love doing that. I love going down in the kitchen and having some sort of meat and then going, okay, what am I going to do with this? So I thought that'd be a really good one to print out a load of these. That's number 5. And number 6, yeah, is actually our just like grocery lists. So lots of sheets printed out, so I can just write a grocery list, and then actually I don't even need to take the list, I can just take a picture. But what I did is I did cut all of these just like the Happy Planner, so I don't have to keep opening and closing the this bit. Yeah, so that took me probably like an hour and a bit to create this whole thing. But it was really cheap. I think the printable for the menu, let me see, the printable was $16. So the most, and then this was $12 for the cover, and this that come with all of this stuff. So yeah, I thought it was a great deal. I am going to do my best to use it, and if not, then I've got this really great folder, and I'm sure I'll use it for something else. So thank you for joining me. I hope you liked this another show and tell, my menu planning setup. And yeah, please put in the comments if you've got a menu planning setup and you use it, and things that you find make you stick to it, I'd love to hear from you. So, and also, could you subscribe to my channel? Could you click on the notifications so that you know when I'm uploading videos? And I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Join me over on Instagram at The Thankful Planner. Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your day.